Hi, I'm Dr. Pratap Sinatu. Let's talk about identification from fingerprints. Fingerprint study of fingerprints is called dactylography. It was developed by Galton. It is widely accepted as of most reliable form of evidence for identification purpose. Fingerprints are impressions of patterns formed by papillary or epidermal edges of fingertips, which appear between 12 to 16 weeks of interaction life. These patterns are unique to an individual, and no two individuals have same fingerprints. Permanent impairment of fingerprint patterns occurs only in case of epilepsy, electric injuries, or exposure to radiations. Fingerprint different patterns of fingerprints called loops, whorls, arches, and composite. This is loops, this is whorls, arches, and composite. Identification of fingerprints are fingerprint identification of is made by comparison between the ridge edges, bifurcations, lake formations, island formations. Different fingerprint evidential materials can be obtained, like patent fingerprints which are visible, plastic impressions where they are left on the soaps, then later fingerprints which has to be made visible by powders. Particularly importance of fingerprints mainly for identification of criminals, identification of deceased unknown persons, identification of in case of disasters, identifications in case of accidental or death, other in case of infants. In this case, identification of licensing in bank forgeries. In those cases, fingerprints useful. It is also useful for problems in cases and mistaken identity. Also, it is useful. Horoscopy is a detailed study of fingerprints where in the single ridges has microscopic pores formed by seismic glands. This methods of identifying studying of the pores is called as poroscopy.